Sup guys, Sentinel God here and welcome back to another Minecraft Pocket Edition video. And today, I'm gonna show you how to make automatic portal. That is insane, but I will show you all. This is pretty much what you need, but you will need water and also dispenser. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you size the portal right. To make sure, just do that, and if it work, you're good to go. And this is pretty much the main. So let's turn our sound on, because I'm gonna show you what's the main idea of making this. And that is too loud. Dispenser there, dispenser there. Okay, let's do this. There we go, there we go. Wait a minute, guys. Okay, guys, you will put a repeater there. So make sure you have button here and do this right now. Make it up. Make it go up, I mean. Okay, in the first line, so you will never get, you will have the exact redstone power. You need repeaters. And okay, put water here and put a flint here. Why did I just do that? Okay, let's do this duck scene. Let me just say I want to go to the nether. But why did I just get in? But let's see the nether. Oh my god, the nether is buggy. Oh my god, and you don't want to hear that sound. So, in order to keep it silent, go here and put it 2 times. Okay, I'm doing different today, but I forgot to do this. That's the only one. Don't worry, guys. Okay, let's do this again. Okay, this sound is taking me out. So, do this. So simple, right? Go to the next challenge. Okay, this video is not from me. It's from me, made by me, but not my idea. Okay, video is you want to have infinite flowers, like you're like rose bush, but you don't have that much. Don't worry, make a dispenser. You will need comparator for this. There we go. Comparator, repeater, redstone. There we go. That's repeater. Sorry guys. Okay. Why did I just do that? Okay, that's it. Let's say you want rose bush, so just put how many rose bush you want. Just put that kind of bone meal, and it will duplicate. How awesome is that? But if you rose bush, it will duplicate. But if you're lazy, then do it. That's awesome. Woohoo! That's awesome. I'm going to do this every day. Guys, okay, let's move on. Let's make my own fireworks. Not so good, but hope you like it. Enjoy. That's it. That's pretty much it. This is for night only, but I cannot show you this. But this is the idea. And you need arrows. Everybody need an arrow. Okay, put 11 there. Oh, that was exact. That's not an exact right now. Okay, just cover this up. Not with planks, maybe bricks. Okay, let's said cover it with bricks. Okay, you said, did you hear something? Oh my god, is that fireworks? Yes, is it? Yes, it is firework. I mean, how to start it? Okay, you better go do this, and that's pretty much it. It's corny, right? But it's awesome for me because it's my work. You can work. Okay, my firework version 2.0. You just need dig two. Just two. Sorry, I miscount. Two like that, and protect its surrounding. Sorry, guys. Protect its surrounding like that. I think this is my longest redstone probably. I don't know, but let's continue. This is boring. Okay, this is it. Just put how tall you want, and let me just say I want this tall because maybe the people won't see it if it's so tall, so it will pop in the sky with no one else, with no one will see it. That is sad. So you're gonna do this, then 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 put TNT. Okay, this is the big word. Why do you need TNT? That is awesome. Everybody loves TNT. Comment in the section below. Comment in the comment section below if you love TNT, and like if you don't. But I consider subscribing to my channel to see more redstone preview. And I will see you. No, I will show you this TNT firework. Why did I always just do that? Forgive me, guys. I am angry. Okay, there we go. I'm sorry. Yeah, there we go. There we go, last repeater, and we are awesome. Okay, put a pressure plate, button, lever. So if you just walking around and you want to have some fireworks, just go down easy. See? No damage at all. How awesome is that? And I don't know why. I have a great idea. Give me a redstone. Mm, no! It won't work. I promise you it will work. Okay. Just do this. Please, please. There we go. Haha. Okay. I have a great idea. Haha, dance floor. Oh yeah. Dance floor. Shut up and dance with me. Okay, this is your favorite YouTubers, Sentinel God, and I will see you guys on my next vid. Good